All right, everyone. So today is going to be our day two of challenge, the $1,500 account challenge on Nadex. I didn't get a chance to trade yesterday. There wasn't anything that I saw that I liked, and you have to really play it safe, especially when you're trying to grow an account. You can't really be as aggressive. So that's why I didn't trade yesterday. But we're back. Today is Wednesday, and we're in a short position on GBP USD at the strike 1.2402. There's a really nice resistance, and I'm expecting this to kind of fall down here into the middle of this Bollinger Band and kind of end somewhere right around this 1.239 level. So we're in at 5 positions at an average price of 33.25. And this market is rather stable, so this trade should go pretty well. I've always been a fan of GBP USD just because there's no trading sessions and the volatility is really low, usually around this time frame. So yeah, that's about it till 30 minutes. So we had a pretty big move down to the downside here. This happened like I think 10 minutes after I got into the trade, and ever since then we haven't had much movement. But there's about 30 minutes left to expiry, and things are looking pretty solid. About a minute 30 left on the trade, and this couldn't have gone any better. Did market did exactly what was anticipated and moved down here to this level right here, and just kind of hung around here. Super stable. I mean, after that big drop that we had, like within the first 10 minutes, it really hasn't moved much since then. And I'm lucky enough to have gotten in this position while it was pulling back up here, like right around this wick area. When it was moving upward for a little bit, I got into this position, and that's where we got this price at. It's been a pretty solid week so far. Looking like it's going to be 2-0. I'm not a huge fan of trading on Thursdays, but I'm going to look tomorrow, and if there's something I like, I'll take it. But if there isn't anything that I'm too fond of, then I probably won't trade. But if I see something I like, I might take a smaller position just to make sure that we end in the green on the week, because that's the most important thing. Okay, so that's over, and that puts our new balance at 1756. And like I said in my previous video, I'm going to take out the amount of money to get us down to the nearest 100. So we're going to put this account value at 1700. So 56.25. Withdrawing also like allows people to see that this money is real, okay? So when you get into trading, I know $1,700 that's a lot of money. But when you get into trading and you start to progress and see that account growth, these numbers up here, they just become numbers and they might not seem real. So withdrawing money every once in a while is a great thing just because it shows you that this money is actually real. And it kind of reminds you to be smart with it. All right, I think that wraps things up, and I'll see you guys later.